Here with Rick Vanover from Veeam. We're going to discuss about new features of Veeam upcoming product. Rick?
Hey Vladon, and hey readers at Vladon's site. Thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video, but what we're showing here at VMworld are two big things. First is version 8 of our Veeam availability suite, which includes Veeam Backup and Replication. You know, that's what we're known for. But what kind of a side feature of that is that we have a new technology called Veeam Cloud Connect that will allow people to put backups in a cloud, any cloud. And I'm actually showing here at the stand, I'm showing that going to vCloud Air. So this is a really kind of advanced way to get that protection off-site to the next level. Second thing we're kind of showing, a little bit not as promoted, is our endpoint backup.
Really interesting.
Yeah, a lot of people are very interested in that. This is arguably our #1 most requested feature. But basically the endpoint backup installs in Windows. It's meant for endpoint, so it's not an enterprise backup, but it's important because it solves the gap of maybe those last few systems that aren't virtualized. It'll create a Veeam backup file, the VBK, and then we can do all kinds of things with it. But the best feature of this initial release is that it will be free.
But it works also on server systems. I can install it on Windows 2008 or 2012 server as well to create a backup of this physical server?
Yes, it does install on Windows Server operating systems. Now, the problem with that conclusions, and I really just want you guys not to get too excited because it doesn't have the legs for the management of the enterprise. That's the big difference that what we would call enterprise physical backup has, that Veeam Endpoint Backup Free does not. So right now, though, it might be just what you need for those last few systems to be virtualized, or that aren't virtualized, but to be protected to the level that you have with your virtual systems. I mean, by the numbers, though, Veeam Backup and Replication can give you 39 ways to restore from one agentless backup. We'll have maybe 6 or 8 with endpoint free, or maybe 10, depends on what makes the cut. So it's not the same, it's a totally different product, but it is exactly what people have been asking for.
And I would like to ask when we're going to have the availability of Veeam 8, actually.
Yeah, we've been promoting it for quite a while, and I hear it from everyone, but this is backup. We can't release it until it's ready, so there's a lot of QA that needs to go on. We've had a very expansive beta program, especially with the Veeam Cloud Connect providers. A lot of that has happened, and so I'm expecting, this is October 14 right now that we're recording. We're expecting official answers this quarter, but I would suspect within 1 month or less, actually. So.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you, Vladon, and thank you, everyone. You can check out Veeam.com for more info.